today I'm off to volunteer, so come along and let's see what we can get into. Today I'm headed out to Camp I Am Special. It's a special needs camp here in Jacksonville.
Well, like I said, if you have any other questions or you wanna... Okay. There's a bunch of toys right here.
Everything goes smooth if you can get this organized.
This is the main room, right? Everything goes in here.
Okay.
So if we can get this organized, then everything out there can just be put away.
Okay. Campers come from all over with all different diagnoses, and they start at age 5 and go up like forever. They have 80-year-olds that attend camp here. Are we okay?
It works fine. This is old.
Oh, okay.
This is what dryers used to sound like.
That's a washer. This should be on your wish list. It serves people with autism, people with Down syndrome, feeding tubes, cerebral palsy, like you name it, I feel like they've seen it here. Got a tape measure out. Whew.
Oh, just barely too tall.
Okay.
If we took the wheels off,
yeah, we don't want to do that. Okay. We'll have to figure out another spot for it. I bought you lunch, Isaiah.
PDQ, shout out.
Thank you for the win.
Shout out. Tim Tebow.
How like perfect is that, right? He like helps special needs people. I'm helping at your camp. You have a weird job.
What do you mean? You don't have this at your desk?
Between this and...
My name's Dulo the Donkey.
Between this and the glider planes. I have to go pick Abby up, but we've made such great progress. Look, that desk is completely cleared off. This closet is all organized, and we're getting organized over here. And then we just have to work on this outside area in the kitchen. So I'll be back. Today I'm going out to volunteer with cleanup and organizing. This camp does run a lot on volunteer hours, but I also have a little investment because my son runs the camp and my daughter attends the camp. So it's a win-win for me.
I've tried it a few times and only fallen twice. Wipe it down, wipe.
I was like...
We have these stupid mirrors.
I thought they were great. They're not very camp friendly, but they're great.
I do not like them. They look, with the rest of camp, they look gaudy.
Yeah.
Like it looks like fake nice. You know? With that on the wall. I never even noticed the butterflies. With that and that together, it doesn't look great.
What are you trying to do? Fill the boot?
That's what I'm doing.
Fill in the boot.
Fill in the boot. If you're interested in supporting Camp I Am Special through Catholic Charities, hit me up. Message my mom even if you have to. Get to me somewhere somehow.
So what
does
does
camp?
camp?
A sponsor.
What does camp do?
We provide a respite and summer camp experience like a typical kid would have, but geared towards our special needs individuals. So we have our sensory room and sensory friendly activities and all kinds of different things that our campers can do to, you know, throw away the therapy and the private schools and the craziness of all the normal stuff that you got to do every day. Come out to summer camp, have a good time.
And the ages?
5 and up. No upper age limit.
No upper age limit.
One of my favorite campers is like 80. He's awesome.
And do you take, are you able, is it just kids with autism?
Everything. Anything and everything. If you want to volunteer, come and do it. Our lower age limit for volunteers is 13 and up. So we need you.
All right.
And you get 120 volunteer hours if you come for an overnight camp. Woo! This is such a great organization, and I'm just so thankful I got to help. We got a lot done today. Thanks for watching.